Hey all, I'm here to answer a question, and this file was provided to me as part of the question. And the question is, how do I recolor something that is black? And the reason you cannot recolor something that is black, I'm going to go ahead and pull up the color picker, the foreground color, to show you that black, the numbers are all 0. So you cannot recolor something that has no color in it. Now I want to click and move just up slightly, um, giving it some brightness, and you see now we have numbers. It still looks black, but just making it a little bit brighter. It has a little bit of color, just enough for you to change color. So we know that we can use the hue and saturation adjustment layer, or if you want to do a permanent change to it, you can just hit Control U on your keyboard, and that brings it up as well. Now, even if we hit the Colorize button and the um, color over here that we're changing is all black, the hue and saturation still does nothing. So the key is to make it a little bit lighter. So I've made it a little bit lighter, and now you see I can change its color. And I'm going to hit Escape and hit Control U again. And you will see even without hitting Colorize, I cannot change the color, but if I make it lighter, it doesn't change the color of it until I hit Colorize, and then it works. So you have to do two things: hit Colorize and make it lighter. I hope this little quick tip helps you. Thanks for asking the question.